Okay, Twitch emotes. Twitch has a new function which makes it a lot easier for people who are not familiar with any editing software to upload their own emotes. So there used to be only this tab, Advanced, and you had to make 3 separate emotes, 112, 156, and 128. But now you can put any square image in there and Twitch will automatically resize it. I'm gonna guide you to the steps. Open up your editing software and we're gonna make a canvas of 1120 by 1120. And the reason we're doing that is because Twitch supports 112 by 112 and it's an easier scale down from that number. All right, so we're gonna stick with 72 pixels per inch and make sure you put RGB and it doesn't matter the other settings. Click create. So here you can either upload a photo or make a drawing, whatever you want.
So my microphone just decided to die out in the middle of recording. So I'm just gonna dub over the rest of the video with my microphone, with my headset microphone. So most people want to do now is just go to export, quick export as PNG. You'll have the file as the original canvas size you chose, 1120 by 1120. You just upload that to Twitch and Twitch will resize automatically. But if for one reason you want to do this manually, for example, if you have some text and if it's going to be very small as an emote, it's very hard to read the text and you want to make separate emotes for every size, this is how you're going to do this. You're gonna go to export as, and here you can select to scale it. Now, the reason I picked 1120 by 1120 is because it's easy to scale. See, if I put it on 100%, it's 1120 by 1120. If you want to put it on 112, you just go 10%. The next downsize of Twitch is 56, so you just put 5%. And the other one is 2.5, so you just put 2.5. Now you're just gonna go to Twitch, go to your creator dashboard, select preferences and affiliate. Here you can upload your emotes. Click on the plus, just click on the emote you made and Twitch will automatically resize and preview it. Here you can get your unique code. I'm just gonna put in dumb, save changes, and Twitch will now send for approval. That's how to do it. If you have any questions, just leave them down below or hop in my stream, and I will see you guys next time.